Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any of the One UI 6.1 devices, the S24, the S23, etc. And tablets, and I want to do it on how to turn it on and off, how to turn the screen on and off, I should say, not the actual on and off, but how to turn the screen on and off without using a button. So if you're like me, you want to look at your screen, then you push the button, turn it off, then you tap the button or tap the screen and it comes on, and you push the button, and if I was to add up how many times I push my button in a day, it probably would scare me. So, here's a neat little feature that I've found on how to do that without pushing the button. So, let's go ahead and dive right in here. So, settings, we'll go into settings. You want to scroll down and go to advanced features. And then we want to go to motions and gestures right here. And then you can set up two things. It's actually turn off or turn on. So you can double tap to turn on the screen, and then under that is double tap to turn off the screen. So I have them both on, obviously. So what I do here is I'll go to my main screen and I'm going to tap right here. Oops, I didn't want to hold that, but I'm going to tap right here. Okay, so I'm going to double tap. And yeah, that was kind of dumb. Double tap and it turns everything off. So anyway, you get the idea now. So you want to, it's kind of comical there. You want to go into, one more time, settings. I should have knew better that that would turn it completely off. Advanced features. Motion and gestures, I have them both on. So now if I double tap the screen, you have to pick, obviously you can't double tap an app, but you want to pick like a back part that's nothing is going to be there, and double tap will turn it off. Your screen is off, double tap the screen, the off screen, and it'll turn the screen on. So it's really pretty simple. It's going to save your button in the long run, I guarantee it, because again, like if you're like me, I'm hitting that button constantly, and all you have to do now is just double tap the screen, comes on, double tap the screen, it goes off. So that's my video on how to turn your screen on and off. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos, and until next time, I'm out.